Both the RBI and the government have been very clear. So today's announcement is very much in line with expectations. And the view is that when the data provides a confident outlook that indeed inflation is coming down and that structural measures are being taken to sustain it on that path in terms of government policy, the RBI will respond. The RBI is not attached to high interest rates for the sake of it. And I think both on the part of the government and the RBI, I think we have what I see as a very clear understanding that as long as the data supports the trend towards controlled inflation and sustainable structural reform, interest rates should have opportunity to move down. But it would have been too early to reach that conclusion today. We'll get more evidence of that commitment, I'm sure, during the budget. And therefore, during the course of the year, as these thoughts converge, I still expect us to be in a benign interest rate environment.
How do you look at the macroeconomic picture at this point of time? The worst is over, growth momentum slowly but gradually is picking up?
Yeah, worst is undoubtedly over, and I think the aspiration and intent to get back to 7% GDP growth is very clear. We're going to see, I hope, a very strong commitment to further fiscal consolidation this budget. That's probably for me the most important indicator. I know there's some talk saying we could in fact afford to relax our fiscal discipline at this point. I think that would be unwise. We are just building a reputation for fiscal probity. It's important we retain that. And I think the animal spirits are reviving in the economy. We are once again seeing signs of interest that there will be an investment formation, capital formation beginning again. That hasn't picked up fully yet, but I'd be very surprised if by the middle of this year you didn't see both domestic and global investors starting to come back and actually drive the investment cycle again.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.